Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIABS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 1. Our today's topic is fill in the blanks. My dear students, fill in the blanks is come from your EMM book. EMM means enjoying mental math. My dear students, you have annual term examination syllabus. There are a lot of fill in the blanks or short questions, but from the lot of questions we taken some questions for your betterment. My dear students, we divide that short suggestion into two parts. Fill in the blanks part 1 and fill in the blanks part 2. My dear student, today I shall take a class about fill in the blanks 1. Okay. Our next class will be taken our Honorable Sir Imdadul Haq. My dear students, so let us start our class. Our first question is add 5 tens to 7 ounce. Add 5 tens to 7 ounce. At first we want to know 5 tens means what? 5 tens means, what is this? This is 10. So we call this 110. What is this? This is 20. We call this 210. Just like if I ask you what is 5 tens, that means it will be 50. My dear students, add 5 tens, that means 50. Then 7 ones. That means 1 means 1 ones. 2 means 2 ones. And 7 means 7 ones. So we add 7. If we add ones place on place, that means 7 plus 0, it will be 7. And this 5 is placed here, that means 57. If we add 5 tens to 7 ounce, then we shall get 57. I hope you understand. Add 5 tens to 7 ones equal to what? The answer will be 57. What comes just after 158? My dear student, notice 100, 101, 102. 100 is the previous number, that means before number of 101. And 102 is the after number of 101. Just like this, we need to find out the after number of 158. That is, what is the next number? The next number of 150 is what? The next number of 158 is 159. Okay. 159. I hope you have understood, and you can write. You can answer any type of question just like this. That means if I ask you what comes just after 200, then the answer will be 201. Okay. Our next question is how many days are there in a week? That means we need to count how many days makes 1 week. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So there are 7 days in a week. So we write 7 days. Okay. Our next question is what comes just before 71? My dear students, we gave an example. What is the before number of 101? The before number of 101 is 100. Just like this, what comes just before 71? So the before number of 71 is 70. So we write here 70. Okay. I hope you understood this type of questions. Then 25 minus dash equal to 20. That means we subtract some number from 25 and the answer will be 20. How can we get this answer? This type of answer, this type of question is to solve by the way we first write 25. So write 25 first. Then this 20, the answer 20 is written under 25. Then we subtract and we get the answer. Okay, if we subtract 0 from 5, then we get 5. And if we subtract 2 from 2, then we will get 0. We need not to write 0 left of a number. So the answer is 5. I hope you understood how to find this type of answer. That means the answer is 5. Okay, our 5 number question is done. Next we shall solve number 6. How many tens are there in 69? So first of all, 69. 9 is in place ones and 6 is in place tens. I repeat, 9 is in place 1 and 6 is in place tens. So tens means 6 tens. Here 5 tens means 50, 2 tens means 20. So 6 tens means what? 6 tens means 60. So we write here 6 tens. 6 tens. So how many tens are there in 69? The answer will be 6 tens. Okay. Now we shall learn a new topics, expand from. Expand from, that means we expand 49. How can? So let us start. Suppose that this is 12. Suppose that 12 is a number. How can we get 12? 12 means 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2. If we write 35, how can we 35? 30 plus 5. If I write here 29, how can we write 29? 20 plus 9. And this is the expand form of 29, 12 and 35. Do you understand how to write expand form of this number? Okay, just like this, we expand 49. So how can we write 49? We write 40 first, then plus 9. If we add 40 with 9, then we get 49. So the expand form of 49 is 40 plus 9. So now we write 49 equal to 40 plus 9. I hope you understood how to expand any number. Suppose I give you an example, 159. How can you write this? So this is place hundreds, this is place tens, this is place ones. So each place with 100 place, that means we write 100 first. Then we write 5 tens, that means 50. Then we write 9, 9 ones means 9. So 159's expand form is 100 plus 50 plus 9. I hope you understand how to expand this 3-digit number. Okay. Our next number is how many wheels do 6 bicycle have? My dear students, do you have any bicycle? I hope you have bicycles. And a bicycle consists how many wheels? A bicycle have 2 wheels. So one bicycle has 2 wheels. So 6 bicycle has how many wheels? That means we multiply 6 with 2 and we get the answer. That means we count the times table of 6. 6 ones are 6 and 6 twos are 12. So my dear students, how many wheels do 6 bicycle have? The answer will be 6 bicycles have 12 wheels. So the answer is 12. If the question asks you to find how many wheels do 7 bicycles have, we multiply 7 with 2 and we get the answer. 7 twos are 14. I hope you understood how to solve this type of questions. Our next number is 6 plus 12 plus 2. So we add these 3 numbers and we get the answer. So first of all we add 6 with 12. Now 12 plus 6. My dear students, we add first 6 2, we get 8. 6 2, we get 8. And 1, this 1 is here. Again 6 and 12 is done. Now we add 2 with this 18. That means 18 plus 2. If we add 8 with 2, then we get 10. As the place of ones, for this reason we take this ones place number, that means 0, and this 1 is added with this tens place, and 1 and 1, it will be 2. So if we add 6 plus 12 plus 2, then we get 20. I hope you understood how to solve 3-digit addition, that means 6 plus 12 plus 6. Okay. Our next question is 24 plus 16. So let us solve first. 24 plus 16. So here first of all we add the ones place number, that means 4 and 6. What is the addition of 4 and 6? 4 and 6 is 7, 8, 9 and 10. So if we add 4 with 6, then we get 10. As this is the place of ones, so we write the ones place digit only. Here ones place digit is 0. So we write here 0 and carry 1. This 1 is added with this tens place number, that 1 plus 2 it will be 3, 3 plus 1 it will be 4. So 40 is the answer if we add 24 with 16. So the answer is 40. The answer is 40. I hope you understood how to solve addition with carrying. Okay. Our next number is 105 minus 5 equal to what? So we subtract 5 from 105. Okay. So first of all we write 105, then you subtract 5 from 105. My dear students, first of all we subtract this 5 from this 5. If we subtract 5 from 5, then we get 0. So nothing left, that means 0 is here and 1 is here. If we subtract 5 from 105, then we get 100. Okay, and write this answer in the gap box, 100. Our next number 25 plus gap equal to 30. That means a number is added with 25 and we get 30. Which number is added? We need to find out that number. In order to solve such type of math, at first we write the answer, that means 30. Then the given number is written under this answer, that means the given number is 25. So we write 25 under 30. Now we subtract and we get the answer. If we subtract 25 from 13, first of all we take 0 and 5, that means ones place digit. As 0 is smaller than 5, for these reasons we take 1 to this 0 and it will be 10. Now if we subtract 5 from 10, we get 5, and this carrying 1 is added with this 2 and it will be 3. If we subtract 3 from 3, then we get 0. So if we subtract 25 from 30, we get 5 and 5 is the answer. So if we added 5 with 25, we get 30. And our last number is expand 348, which is similar as question number 7. We have already learned this, how to expand 348. So first of all we write this number. Here the number is 348. Here 8 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place and 3 is in hundred place. So my dear students, 348. So write 300 first, 300, then write 40, that means plus 40. How many ones? 8 ones. So write 8. So the expand form of 348 is 300 plus 40 plus 8. So write 300 plus 40 plus 8. I hope you understood how to expand a form. If the number 4 digit, that means 1348, then you add 1348, 1000 first. And this is the way of expanding of a number. Okay. My dear students, this is our today's lecture, and this is your SW also, and this is your SW also, and this is SW number 4. You have already know this. SW is very important for your annual examination, and based on your SW, CT marks and SB marks will be given. So you need to do your SW in your SW copy seriously and submit it regularly. You do your SW, you submit your SW in every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM, my dear students, and you collect your SW from next Sunday. Guardians or any other person can submit or collect SW from our school campus. Okay, I hope you have understood our today's lecture. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.